Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning. I am doing great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John. What is yours?
Nice to meet you, John. Where are you from?
I am from London. And you?
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher at a school.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love working with students.
What time is it now?
It is exactly 10:30.
How is the weather today?
It is very sunny and warm outside.
What are you doing right now?
I am just drinking a cup of coffee.
Are you hungry?
No, I had a big breakfast earlier.
What is your favorite food?
I really like Italian pasta and pizza.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, but I am learning it online.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older sister.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy playing guitar in my free time.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept for 8 hours.
What are your plans for today?
I am going to visit my parents.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need?
Where is the bathroom?
It is at the end of the hallway.
Are you married?
No, I am currently single.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small white dog.
What is his name?
His name is Snowball.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I go to the cinema every weekend.
What is your favorite movie?
I love science fiction movies.
Can you swim?
Yes, I swim in the pool every morning.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea with a little sugar.
How was your weekend?
It was very relaxing and quiet.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had a chicken sandwich and salad.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, but I usually take the bus.
Is it far from here?
No, it is only a 10-minute walk.
What is the date today?
Today is the 23rd of February.
Are you tired?
A little bit, it was a long day.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I want to visit Japan next year.
What is your phone number?
I will write it down for you.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, just let me grab my coat.
Do you know what time they close?
They usually close at 9 p.m.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Do you have any change?
Sorry, I only have large bills.
What is the matter?
I cannot find my car keys.
Excuse me, where is the main square?
It is just 2 blocks away from here.
How can I get to the city center?
You can take the subway or the bus.
Is there a taxi stand nearby?
Yes, there is one right in front of the hotel.
What is the fastest way to the airport?
The express train is the fastest option.
How much does a bus ticket cost?
It costs about $2.50.
Is the museum open on Mondays?
No, most museums are closed on Mondays.
Where is the nearest police station?
It is located next to the City Hall.
Is it safe to walk here at night?
Yes, this area is very safe and busy.
Where can I find a public park?
Central Park is just around the corner.
Can I rent a bicycle in the city?
Yes, there are many bike-sharing stations.
How do I use this ticket machine?
Select your language and follow the screen.
Is there a free Wi-Fi spot here?
Yes, the whole square has free Wi-Fi.
Where is the best place to see the view?
The roof garden of the library is perfect.
Are there any festivals this week?
Yes, there is a jazz festival tomorrow.
What time does the last train leave?
The last train leaves at midnight.
Where can I find a good restaurant?
There are many great spots on the riverfront.
Is the tap water safe to drink?
Yes, the tap water is very clean here.
Where is the nearest tourist office?
It is inside the old clock tower.
Can you show me on the map?
Of course, we are exactly right here.
Is there a lot of traffic today?
Yes, the traffic is heavy because of the rain.
Where do people usually meet up?
Most people meet at the fountain.
Is the city library very quiet?
Yes, it is a great place to study.
How far is the stadium from here?
It is about 5 kilometers away.
Is there a public toilet nearby?
Yes, there is one in the park entrance.
Do I need to carry my passport?
A copy of your ID is usually enough.
Where can I sit and relax?
There are many benches by the lake.
Is the opera house far?
No, it is within walking distance.
What is that big building?
That is the National History Museum.
Do buses run on Sundays?
Yes, but they are less frequent.
Where can I find a postbox?
There is a red one near the station.
Is the city crowded in the morning?
Yes, especially during rush hour.
Can I take a boat tour?
Yes, boats depart every 30 minutes.
Where is the nearest hospital?
It is on the other side of the bridge.
Are the street lights working?
Yes, they turn on automatically at sunset.
Where can I see some street art?
The East District has the best murals.
Is there a bridge across the river?
Yes, there is a famous stone bridge.
What is the name of this street?
This is Victoria Avenue.
Is there an information desk?
Yes, right at the main entrance.
Do people use cash or cards here?
Most people prefer contactless payments.
Where can I find a quiet cafe?
Try the small streets behind the church.
Is the city hall open to visitors?
Yes, you can visit it until 4 p.m.
Did you enjoy your walk?
Yes, the city is beautiful today.